Imagine being able to predict and control the outcomes of your interactions with others. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Meet Celine's laws, the ultimate guide to understanding and mastering human behavior. Celine's laws are a set of principles that describe how human behavior works in social interactions. These laws were developed by Celine Gounder, a behavioral economist and public health expert. They are based on the idea that human behavior is driven by two main factors: incentives and information. For example, let's say you are trying to motivate your team to work harder. According to Celine's laws, you can do this by providing incentives for good performance, such as bonuses or recognition, and by providing information about how their work contributes to the company's success. Here are 3 tips for making use of Celine's laws. Understand the incentives that drive behavior. When trying to change someone's behavior, it's important to understand what incentives they have for acting in a certain way. For example, if you want to get someone to stop smoking, you need to understand what benefits they get from smoking, such as stress relief or social connection. Once you understand these incentives, you can help them find alternatives that can provide similar benefits without the negative effects of smoking. Provide clear and accurate information. People's behavior is also driven by the information they have. To change someone's behavior, you need to provide them with accurate and relevant information. For example, if you want to get someone to start exercising, you need to provide them with information about the benefits of exercise, such as weight loss, improved mood, and increased energy. Use positive reinforcement. According to Celine's laws, positive reinforcement is one of the most effective ways to change behavior. When you see someone behaving in a way you want, reward them with praise or other incentives. For example, if you want to get your team to work harder, reward them with bonuses or recognition when they meet their goals. In conclusion, Celine's laws are a powerful tool for understanding and controlling human behavior in social interactions. By understanding incentives and providing accurate information, you can change the way people behave to achieve your goals.